billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Yes, I am Raza Ali Shah Al-Abidi from Sufi Guidance channel YouTube and Facebook closed group Islamic Sufi Wazaif and Sufi Guidance Hungama. And all of our WhatsApp groups, the red group, pink group, every conceivable person that exists who is connected to this platform, I am wishing them a very, very happy, prosperous and lovely coming 2022, जिसके अंदर आप हमारी तरफ से भी जो हमसे मदद हो सकी करेंगे और जो आप कर सके हमारे लिए, जो कि है कुछ भी नहीं, जो हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, that is nothing. And we just want you to enjoy life and do the best and make sure that 2022 is the best. And as I'm in Dubai at the moment, मैं एक और बात बता दूं, मैं दुबई में बैठा हुआ हूँ इस वक्त, दुबई से लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ and this is my apartment. I would wish everyone in Dubai, and this is the place to be. Remember this thing, this is the place to be, and 2022 brings more joy, more fun, more happiness and more lafantarbazi for everyone. Thank you very much. Khuda Hafiz wa Nasir.